Hi everyone, and welcome back to another easy keto recipe. This recipe makes 8 servings at 4.3 net carbs a serving. Here's what you will need. 2 cans of the chicken and water, 2 bags of the frozen riced cauliflower, celery, green onion. You'll need a box of the Philadelphia cream cheese, eggs, shredded mozzarella cheese, ranch dressing, hot sauce of your choice. For seasoning, pink salt, pepper, and paprika. And then you'll need a 1 cup of half cup, a big bowl for mixing with a fork, and a cake pan. All right, we want to start by preheating the oven to 350. And then let's make our mixture. Let's take our chicken and put it in a strainer and just rinse it. I like to rinse mine under cold water. Then put it into the big bowl. And over that, we're going to add our riced cauliflower. Now just let them thaw out a little bit. Don't cook it in the microwave. And put in 2 eggs, 2 stalks of the celery, 2 stalks of the green onion, a half cup of ranch dressing, hot sauce, and I did 2 tablespoons. Do it to taste. I did 2 tablespoons. Give it a good mix, and now let's open our full box of Philadelphia cream cheese. Kind of chunk it up with your fingers and put it in, and then start mixing it. You can let it sit out on the counter to soften. Mix it really well. Then add the pink salt, pepper, and the paprika to taste. Give that a good stir. And then go ahead and add the mixture into your cake pan and pop it into your oven. We're going to cook this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, go ahead and pull it out. Give it a good stir. And then you're going to add 1 full cup of the mozzarella cheese over the top. Pop it back into the oven. And now you're going to cook this for 5 more minutes. Then you're going to pull it out, let it cool off a little bit, and cut it into 8 slices. It'll make 8 servings, and add a little bit more paprika on the top if you'd like. And there you go, you guys. That is 2 servings I got there because I do 1 meal, but each serving was 4.3 net carbs a serving. And this was so delicious. Definitely try it out. I do believe your entire family would love this. And always keep it keto.